Hi guys! Today I'm alone. I'm filming with my phone. I don't have any mic on because Alex is on a holiday. He went to San Francisco and Las Vegas with this girl. If you're from there and you find him, please send him back because I think I need him with the editing and stuff like that. But I'm gonna try. I was thinking today I could do a Dutch pour with only Vallejo paints because they're so high pigmented, and if you open them up they smell. They really smell like paint. I really like that. I was thinking let's do yellow, gold, turquoise and violet, and of course white. Got all the paints already mixed, so I'm ready to start. Okay, I'm gonna start with the base of white. Make them squares, blow it out. Always make sure the sides are covered with white, like this. And then I'm gonna start with the turquoise. Some yellow. Violet. That's a lot. The gold. And this is a much wider gold from Vallejo. Or is it wider? It's a different color that I'm used to. Pour around the white. And blow the white over. These Vallejo. Oh, and also the turquoise is taking over a lot. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's torch this. Wow, what a lot of cells. That's very cool. Setting up. Okay. Yeah, I like this a lot. Okay, this was my first painting, my first video without Alex. I think I managed. Now I need to do the editing. I love this painting, these Vallejo paints. Oh, they're heaven. Yeah, they're so cool, so pretty, so high pigmented. They interact so well together. Yeah, I love this. Guys, you can subscribe to my channel and you can click on the bell so you'll be notified whenever a new video is up, and have a great day.